Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a couple of diamond paintings that I wanted to share, and I've had these for quite a while. So I wanted to go ahead and start getting the videos done for these because I need to get them flattened out and everything so I can start working on some of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you now the boxes that I'm going to show you might not be the box that they came in, because I put 2 into each box just to kind of condense the amount of boxes I had in my room. So yeah, I have like 2 canvases here together. So I'm going to go ahead and get them separated. I don't remember all the stores that I ordered from. However, most of them should still have an AliExpress link. So I will link everything below. And I'm going to show you these 2 once I get this unrolled. All of these arrived in really good condition. I mean, I didn't have any trouble with any of these. I'm having trouble unrolling this one, but I didn't have any, there weren't any like major creases or anything like that. There weren't, the boxes, some of the boxes got like a little damaged, but nothing inside did. This one is giving me trouble getting it rolled out. Oh my gosh. This is just being difficult. And most of these are also like the larger ones. I just like to have like the larger canvases. Okay, so let me get this one turned around so I can peel the paper. Okay, there we go. So this one is this picture, and it is a 55 by 75 centimeter, and that is what it looks like. Of course, the colors are a little muted on here, but yeah, that'll give you an idea. There are 31 colors in here. That is the amount of drills total that it's going to take to, either that it's going to take to do this, or that's how many they sent. I'm not sure which. Probably it's probably how much they sent, but this one I believe is around, yeah. So, and those just fell out, but that's okay. I'm going to show you these. So that is what the drills look like for the rounds. They're very pretty. They're very, very twinkly looking. They glitter almost when you move them. And I love how they look once they're on. I prefer the rounds. They're just easier to deal with. Some people like the squares better because they say it looks better, but I don't have an issue with the rounds once you get it hung up and stuff like that. I mean, to me, it looks good no matter what. And how I have been doing these, now I've already been taking apart like all of the kits. And all of these come with a kit like this, to where you have the pen for your drills, you have the wax, you have the tray, you have everything you need to actually do the diamond painting. But I took all of these out because just to get them out of the way. I've been separating the drills as well, and I've been putting them in little Ziploc bags that I got off of Amazon. And some of these, like this here, these were already in the Ziploc bags, so I just left them in there. But all the ones that didn't have a Ziploc bag that it was in, I put them in there, and then I put them in a larger Ziploc bag to keep all of the kits together. That's how I've been doing it. It kind of helps for preparation of doing the diamond painting and just, you know, getting everything, making sure you have all your drills, making sure, you know, some of the bags aren't torn and spilling, because that happens. But so this is the one I got, and I am going to show you when you get it. They are rolled up in a tube like this. Excuse me. And so in order to get them flat, when you get it, you just peel up the paper. And I'm going to peel this one halfway, and then I'll turn it around and peel it the other way. But when you peel up the paper, I don't know if it's the static that does it or what it is. But as you're peeling up the paper and putting it back down, the canvas flattens itself out. I don't know why, but it's good. So you can see all the symbols and such. They're really clear and nice. Now this glue is all the way down to the bottom of the canvas. So when that happens, if there's any glue on here, you're going to get dirt and everything else while you're working on the diamond painting. So what I usually do is I'll take a piece of washi tape and I'll run it along the edges so that it stays clean. And then afterwards you can either cut the excess off or just leave the washi tape there and have a frame that will cover it up. It doesn't matter. Now on this side, sorry, my voice is going wonky. On this side, there's no glue, so that's good. But it does go to the edge, and it is very nice and sticky. So I am going to pull up the other side as well. Okay, so now you can see that this part is wanting to lay flat, whereas this part's still all crinkled up. So you just do the same thing on this side. And sometimes, like this one, the glue will pull up with the paper. If you notice it doing that before you get too far, just push it back down. Rub with your nail on the paper and then pull it up, because it will rub that glue back down onto the canvas and it will help pull the paper off without pulling the glue off. There we go. So you can see the colors on here. They're very, very pretty. Okay, so that is that side. I'm going to flip it around. And this is the side that has the legend and a little picture on it as well to show you what it looks like. So you can see the colors are a little bit brighter on there. So if you don't have, like if they don't send a paper, which I've gotten a lot recently that don't have the that paper with them. So that is why they have this printed on here, just in case you don't have the paper or you lose it or anything like that. You'll still be able to work on the diamond painting. Okay. This one does not want to come up. All right, there we go. Okay, now on here, you can see right here, there is a little bit of a bubble. You can take a needle and stick it in there and let all the air out and just push the glue back down, and it'll be fine. It happens. It creases sometimes. There's bubbles sometimes. It's not really going to affect it unless it's just like really horrible. So you can just pop the air out of any of the bubbles or creases. Okay, so fix that one. Nope. When you're pushing it down, like after you pick it, pull the paper up just to check it and put it back down, you want to make sure that you're not putting any bubbles in there. And then it's laying flat. So as you can see now, it is laying flat. It doesn't want to roll up or anything like that. So that is that one. And that one is now ready to be worked on. You can, excuse me, you can flatten them out like that. You can put them under your mattress to get them flatter if you want, as long as you have a flat surface under your mattress. You can put heavy books on them, anything like that. But most of the time, as long as you have one that's like this. I don't know what it is with the plastic cover that some of them have, but I don't think it flattens it out as well as with this paper. I don't know what the difference is. I really don't. But yeah. So this one, my son ordered for it. Well, he had me order it, but he paid for it because he wanted me to do one for him. He doesn't want to have to do it. So he bought it and asked me to do this for him. So this is the one that he got. And it is a 65 by 50, and he wanted the square drills. So that is the one he got. That is from World of Warcraft. And this one has 44 colors. And you can see my check marks here. I was checking the drills, making sure all the colors were there, and they were. And again, this is how I pack them up. I put them in a little plastic bag, and I cut the number off of one of the bags and stick it in there so I know which one it is. And then I just have it in the large Ziploc bag. I have a reusable grocery bag. Yeah, a reusable grocery bag that I got from Five Below, where all my drills are in right now. So I'm going to have it turn this way because it'll be easier for this one since it is a little bit smaller. And again, I'm going to show you. You just pull it off like that. And I go about halfway each time, just because it's easier to control when you're putting it back down. Okay, so there's that one. And then I'm going to do this side. I cut all of my nails off the other day, so I don't have any nails to really grip the edge. I get irritated with my fingernails, so I cut them off. Okay. And then you go about halfway again on here. You can see there's the sword, and he's standing right here, and then his shield's over here. All right, and see how in comparison to that side, you can see how flat this side is laying. And it makes it a lot easy, well, not easier to store. I mean, like I said, you can put it under your mattress and you could probably fit a lot under there. I do have, which I did show in my Amazon video, I do have something that I put them in to just kind of keep them flat and together. So it is working to do, to use it, but a lot of times it's easier just to keep them in the box until you want to use them. So I wanted to show you too. You can see all the symbols really clearly, and yes, it is upside down right now, but you can see all of the symbols really clear. Oh, wait. What am I doing? I got one more side. And I've got quite a few of these. And yeah, I just wanted to start getting them worked on. Okay. All right. So there is that one. And again, you can see it's laying flat now. So that is good. And I am going to stick that with the other one. And I'm actually going to bring this one back because I need to fix it. But that is it. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to flatten these out and show you which ones I got. Now I will be like I said, I will be showing some other diamond paintings because I have quite a few. So yeah, but that's it for this video. I have ordered off of Temu or Temu. I'm not sure how you say it. And I do have some orders coming in from them as well. So I will be sharing those coming up. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.